Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial you will learn how to fix Mortal Shell 2 game not working, crashing or crashes at startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. First fix, restart your PS5. So press and hold power button on the console and select power off. Unplug all the wires, wait for a few seconds and then press power button again. It will remove any remaining power and will clear your system cache. Now plug in all the wires, turn on your PS5 and then launch the game and check. Fix 2, restore license. On your PS5 go to settings, click on users and accounts, scroll down and go to other. Go to restore license, select Mortal Shell 2 game and then select restore, select yes to confirm. After this launch the game and check. Fix 3, switch internet connection. So first of all use Ethernet cable to access internet on your PS5 and then check. If you are connected to Wi-Fi then connect to mobile data via hotspot and then check. If possible then you can also try to connect to other Wi-Fi network and then check. Or you can also restart your modem or Wi-Fi router and then check. Fix 4, switch Wi-Fi frequency. So go to PS5 settings, network, go to settings, set up internet connection. Press the options button. In Wi-Fi frequency switch to either 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and see which one works for you. Fix 5 is to rebuild database on PS5. So power off your PS5 but don't unplug it from the wall socket. Press and hold power button on your console until you hear 2 beep sound and then release the button. Your console will boot into the safe mode. Now connect your controller to your console with the use of USB cable and then press PS button. Use the D-pad to scroll down and select clear cache and rebuild database. Next select rebuild database, OK. Now launch Mortal Shell 2 game and check if the problem is solved or not. Fix 6, delete game data and cache. Now please take a note, make sure to back up the save data to prevent unexpected game progress loss. Now go to settings, save data and game/app settings, select save data PS5 and then navigate to console storage, delete. Choose Mortal Shell 2 game, then select delete, OK. Now restart your console and then launch the game and check. Fix 7 is to log out and log in. So log out from your PlayStation network account, go to settings, users and accounts, other sign out, wait for a few minutes and then log in back and then launch the game and check. Fix 8 is to reinstall or transfer the game to SSD. So if you are using a SSD in the expansion slot on your PS5, then reinstall or transfer the Mortal Shell 2 game to the SSD and then try to launch the game and see if that helps or not. So by following these fixes, I hope you can easily fix Mortal Shell 2 game not working, crashing or crashes as a startup, not launching or won't launch issue, freezing problem, not loading or stuck on loading screen problem, black screen issue or stuck on black screen problem on PS5 consoles. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.